guys, what's up? It's Candace and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to talk about a new product that I just received not too long ago and I could not wait to share it with you guys. We have done a lot of tutorials in the past. I've talked to you about a lot of new makeup products, but I really wanted to bring you a makeup tool today. And that tool is a new product from Sigma. And if you watched a few videos ago, then I showed you all a PR haul that I received from Sigma Beauty, and I received a number of brushes, a couple tools, a couple eyeshadow palettes, a couple different things, all really great stuff. But one thing in particular that really stood out was their brand new brush cleanser. And Sigma has recently launched a new brush cleanser that is just absolutely amazing, you guys. They have knocked it out of the park with this one. Talk about being innovative. They have done that. And this is the new Sigmagic Scrub. And this is what it looks like. And it has suction cups on the back. And I will obviously be demoing this for you and showing you exactly what this product does. But I wanted to just show you all a little bit more about it. So if you all want to see how to use this brand new cleanser from Sigma, then be sure to keep watching. But before we do that, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you're always notified of every future upload. All right guys, let's jump into the Sigmagic Scrub. Alright you guys, just a little bit about the Sigmagic Scrub Cleanser. It is a solid makeup brush cleanser. It is 100% natural. It is a 2-in-1 deep cleaning makeup brush cleanser. And it's supposed to provide quick and easy cleanup. And it is a secure suction and it's antimicrobial. Fibers on the inside of it make it very gentle and effective, and it has a very silicone texture to help scrub away the dirt and germs. So the little pink things that you're seeing inside, those are those silicone textures that help to break up everything inside your brush so that the cleanser can really penetrate deep down inside and get your brushes squeaky clean really fast and very easily. Alright guys, now that I've told you a little bit about the product and shown it to you from the inside out, let's go ahead and run upstairs to the sink and put this bad boy to use because I've got a lot of brushes to clean. Okay, so we have now moved to the bathroom. I am taking the cover off of the Sigmatic cleaner and I'm going to wet the back of the suction cups just a little bit so that it sticks to the side of my sink a little bit better. After you apply the water, just pick whatever section you think is the best for you and the easiest to kind of reach to clean, and just stick it to the sink. And I have quite a few brushes that need to be cleaned. I've got a variety of brushes from Sigma to Morphe to Real Techniques, a little bit of everything. I am in desperate need of cleaning these brushes. Alright, so now I'm going to let the hot water run just a little bit, and you don't want it too hot because obviously your hands are going to be underneath there, so you just want it lukewarm, and according to the instructions that does say that that is the best. So you want to just wet your brush a little bit first, and then you just want to start swirling away on the Sigmagic scrubber. And just scrub a little bit, and you can see the makeup already starting to kind of drift off. Then all you want to do is just rinse your brush until it comes clean. I like to dip mine down in the bottom of the sink bowl just a little bit because I feel like that presses a little bit of whatever makeup is still left in there out that you probably wouldn't normally find. So just scrub a little more, and because this was a brand new one, it does take just a little bit of scrubbing to kind of break the surface before it starts really foaming and lathering up, but nevertheless it still is applying product and the cleanser is working. I mean, as you can tell, the end of the brush is no longer brown, it's more white, and I just like to kind of shake out some of the excess water just to make sure that again, everything is coming clean. Now I'm sure you've noticed I've sped up the video just a little bit just because I have a lot of brushes that I was cleaning, as you could see from the previous clip. So I didn't want to bore you all with going through each of them one by one. So as you can tell though, I am cleaning all of the brushes with a lot of ease. I mean, and they are coming clean so easily. If you can tell, so much product is coming out of them, and I think it's really easy to tell that this cleanser is truly getting all down in the bristles of these brushes. You can tell that the product is coming out onto the actual scrubber as well as in the water and in the sink. I just don't think a lot of your gel cleansers that they really penetrate as deep as this one does. And I think you also have a 2-in-1 because you've got your cleanser and you've got the little beads that are helping to actually move through the bristles to ensure that all of the product is coming out. So this coupled with the lukewarm water, and I like, as you can tell, I like to use my hand a little bit just to kind of, you know, rub the cleanser in the water in my hand. I don't know, I probably don't need to, but it just makes me feel like I'm getting it more clean. So that's what I like to do. And then obviously as I'm shaking out the excess water, I like to shape my brushes a little bit before I lay them down. And again, this method, it just works best for me and how I like to store my brushes. Alright guys, so as you could see, I got through a lot of those brushes fairly quickly. They were getting very clean and the water was running clear, so as far as I'm concerned, it did the trick, you all. I'm really excited because I got through a lot of brushes in a short amount of time. And we all know that cleaning your makeup brushes is a hassle, but it is a necessity. It helps to keep our skin clear from breakouts because all of those bacteria and stuff just likes to linger in your brushes. So you definitely want to make sure that you are cleansing and taking care of your brushes consistently. And thanks to this Sigmagic brush scrub, this is going to make that hassle a lot less daunting and it will go by a lot smoother and quicker. So guys, if you want to check out the Sigmagic Scrub for yourself, feel free to go on over to Sigma Brushes and sigmabeauty.com and check it out. I do have a 10% off discount code linked for you down in the description box if you want to save you a little coin. And that is good on all purchases on Sigma's website. I will again have the website as well as the discount code listed down in the description box. Be sure to check out all their products. Their makeup is phenomenal. Their brushes are great. Their products and tools are amazing. Their eyeliner and their mascara have been two of my all-time favorite products to use, and there's not a day that I go by that I don't use the mascara. So make sure you check everything out, but definitely check out the Sigmagic brush scrub because it is amazing. All right guys, don't forget, all the information is listed down in the description box. Give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and make sure you hit that bell icon so that you never miss a future upload. All right, bye guys, see you later.